Welcome one and all, this is Shomudeep Pudutundo back here with next 3 days weather activities in Pan India. Let's see what going to happen about weather in next 3 days. Cyclonic circulation present over Rajasthan is bringing about a clear sky condition over Rajasthan and adjoining area, though a western disturbance causing a marked increase in rainfall in North Indian sectors, while South India is getting a spotty rainfall in isolated places adjoining to Kerala and adjoining areas, while in Northeast Arunachal Pradesh is getting a slightly higher amount of weather impact due to this rainfall activities, but no such seven sister problems being associated to weather in next 3 days will be seen. Moving on to North Indian analysis, for North Indian sector view, if we see a gradual high rainfall coverage will be seen in first 24 hours, while this rainfall activity will remarkably reduce in next 3 days, while a clear sky condition will be marked seen in the central places. While moving on to the city weather predictions and updates, for city in Delhi, 25 degrees Celsius as maximum will be seen and 13 degrees Celsius as minimum will be observed, while in case of Srinagar, 6 degrees Celsius as maximum, while 6 degrees Celsius minus is the minimum. In Shimla, 11 degrees Celsius as maximum, 1 degree Celsius in case of Shimla with isolated rainfall in Srinagar and Shimla, both the cases, while Lucknow getting 26 degrees Celsius as maximum, 15 degrees Celsius as minimum, while in case of Lucknow and well as Jaipur is getting a nearly same temperature, while in case of Bhopal a great temperature, that is 31 as maximum and 13 degrees Celsius as minimum. At an approximate very high distance between two temperatures you will see in case of Bhopal, a gradual temperature inversion will be seen in this case. Moving on for the South Indian weather observation, in next 24 hours light rainfall possibility over Kochi and adjoining areas, places of Kerala, while very less conditions of rainfall will be seen across Coimbatore and adjoining areas, while a partly cloudy condition will be prevailing in overall Karnataka as well as the overall below Karnataka places in case of South India. Cities getting temperatures as maximum in case of Machipatnam with the 37 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Celsius as minimum with a partly cloudy condition will be prevailing. In case of Madurai, 35 degrees Celsius as maximum and 22 degrees Celsius as minimum will be observed. In case of Cuttack, 37 degrees Celsius as maximum and 21 degrees Celsius as minimum with a clear sky condition will be prevailing, while in Kochi, 36 degrees Celsius as maximum, 23 degrees Celsius as minimum with a clear sky condition will be observed. In case of Mumbai, quite a high temperature will be recorded in case of as maximum temperature is concerned. In case of Mumbai, 41 degrees Celsius will be observed in case of Mumbai with 22 degrees Celsius is minimum temperature with a clear sky condition in approximate next 3 days. While in case of Panaji getting 38 degrees Celsius, quite near, reaching near towards Mumbai temperature, 38 degrees Celsius as maximum, 22 degrees Celsius in case of Panaji as minimum. Moving on for the East Indian zone, in East Indian zone, there will be a clear sky condition in marked 3 days with no such weather activities, but very not abrupt but a breezy condition will be prevailing with an approximate 30 to 40 km per hour wind speed is approximately wind will be visible in case of Bihar adjoining places, while Northeast will be also seeing a spotty rainfall as well as light rainfall in case of upper Arunachal Pradesh areas, while other Northeast will be clear as such in next 3 days. While in case of cities getting Kolkata as 34 degrees Celsius as maximum and 21 degrees Celsius as minimum, with Patna getting 26 degrees Celsius as maximum and 17 degrees Celsius as minimum, Ranchi getting 35 degrees Celsius as maximum, 17 degrees Celsius as minimum, which is a very high temperature. Again with Guwahati getting a moderate climatic effect, that is 30 degrees Celsius as maximum and 17 degrees Celsius as minimum, while Imphal is getting a near about same weather condition as that of Guwahati, and Gangtok getting an approximate temperature of 18 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius as minimum. Moving on for the temperature, abrupt low temperature will be recorded in case of North India, while moving on to the next or the Central Indian zones, more temperature during the hours will be seen and temperature range up to 40 degrees Celsius will be marked present in the coastal belt in upcoming 3 days, and also a higher temperature in the majority places of the South as well as Central India and East India will be seen in upcoming 3 days with no possibility of rain. Temperature been recorded as For the case of light rain as well as moderate rain, heavy rainfall, mixed combination. In case of precipitation analysis, Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand is getting a light rainfall coverage of 0 to 20 millimeter, while Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim is also getting a same type of 20 millimeter rainfall, a very low, while Lakshadweep and Kerala is also getting a spotty rainfall. Moving on for weather analysis or weather with thunderstorm possibilities with rainfall in isolated places of northern parts as well as Arunachal and Sikkim and Kerala will be getting approximate thunderstorm as possibilities. Moving on for more weather related updates and information, stay connected to us. Don't forget to follow us and subscribe us. Thank you.